This is the Rode NT1, one of the best-selling budget condenser microphones on the market. Since its release, Rode have introduced the very popular NT1A and more recently the NT1 5th generation with a revolutionary dual input design. These three microphones have dominated the market due to their design, sound quality, studio accessories and overall cost. But somehow, Rode got the NT1 formula sounding even better. To all my home recording enthusiasts, I give to you the Rode NT1 Signature Series. So, as many of you know, the Rode NT1A was the first condenser microphone I ever owned. I've had this microphone for around 11 years now, and even though it's got a few scratches and a little rust, this microphone is solid. It's crazy that Rode offers a 10-year warranty when you grab yourself an NT1, but I guess it's a statement to the microphone quality you can expect. For me personally, the Rode NT1A is a great sounding microphone, and there's something about the warm, silky character of the NT1 that makes it great for quality vocal recording. But when it comes to the Signature series, Rode have gotten a little bit more creative. At around $160, the new Signature series offers the same NT1 accessories, including a shock mount, pop filter, XLR cable, and carry pouch. The pouch is nice to help dust from getting onto the microphone capsule, but for storage and protective reasons, getting a solid wooden case is worth it. You definitely don't want your first NT1 ending up like mine. Having a look at the microphone itself, the new Signature series offers a few enhancements that could make it the best sounding microphone under $200. First, the HF6 1-inch gold capsule, which according to Rode delivers rich bass, detailed mid-range and sparkling top end. Also, an increase in maximum SPL, less equivalent noise, and to make things even more fun, the Signature series is offered in 6 different colors. I think a red NT1 would be epic. At the end of the day, to me the entire NT1 series is top quality, but if I could only pick one to add to my cart, would the new Signature series be the one? Let me go, I don't wanna be your hero, I don't wanna be a big man, just wanna fight like everyone else. Your masquerade, I don't wanna be a part of your charade. Everyone deserves a chance to talk with everyone else. I don't wanna be a part of your charade. I don't wanna be a part of your charade. I don't wanna be a part of your charade. I don't wanna be a part of your charade. Okay, so at $159, the new NT1 Signature series does not have the extreme harshness on the high-end side or the lack of low-end like other microphones at this price point. Adding all the accessories to this equation, I don't think you'll find a better entry-level microphone bundle than this. It seems like I might have to get that red NT1 after all.